Can you all see my screen?
Yes, Makan.
Okay. So I saw your ping, Raghu. I think you said not able to work on the click, right? Something.
Not click the date or no. I'm getting confusion on
Yeah.
that. From and to I done. Okay, it's working fine. But date no. It's giving a lot of exports. So I don't know which one I need to select or I need to write any query for this date.
Okay. What? Okay. What about Parvati?
I work. 1 second. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. I worked on one application that was different from this, not the right one.
Okay.
I took
Okay.
some other and was able to automate few of the like navigations.
Okay. Which is the application? Can you ping that link?
Not
Means web
just
link.
application. I was just going through like
Okay.
I was just searching for Alapi, Kerala, and the houseboat, and so there was a site. So I was
Okay.
just navigating to that, having various links. So I used
Okay.
XPath of for like there was some search box, there was some drop downs,
Hmm.
uh, then there was some link
Hmm.
and also text. So
Hmm.
for text, I was having little problem finding to create the text part, but then later it worked. Like if I do today, the next day
Hmm.
it was very. I couldn't click again. It was not
Okay.
working.
It's
But
a
then,
dynamic. Means.
it was dynamic. Then I searched. I
Hmm.
got one text. I feel title or something. Then I used it. So today
Hmm.
also I tried. It worked. So I guess
Okay.
it is not changing.
Okay. Okay. No issue. What about Rabi? Have you tried?
No, Makan, I couldn't. I
Okay.
couldn't try.
No issue. So let me open this. So we last time what we did, we just wait. We type VLR here, right? And we click on this, then BOM, and we did. Now, so Raghu and others, like anyway, whoever tried for this. So, are you able to click on this one?
Yeah, Makan, I'm able to click that one. Okay. Even I select this July 2021 and August both. Okay. The top, what is showing the name, month. Okay. But I am getting, it means date only I'm getting bit confusion. Okay. So because every time it will keep on changing, right? There is
Yeah.
almost 369, 365, I think. Okay. Out of, if I want to select one now, it will show 365. Okay. I don't know which one I need to take.
So for
Let's
this click, you have the XPath.
Yeah, I'll send you. Okay. Wait 1 second.
Mark, hello?
Yes.
Yeah, actually, I wanted to check on two things. One is like there were when I was doing there was a drop down, but it was working as a hover over mouse. So whatever I click, right, so it was taking to that page. But I just want a mouse hover over. For that, if you help us teaching the XPath, it would be good.
Yeah.
Like only I just hover. That
You
kind
can
of
just
things.
ping me that link. Okay.
Okay.
The link.
Okay.
Have you pinged Raghu that one, that XPath?
You can see in the chat. You can see in the chat.
Okay. So this is for.
I've taken a different. Okay. Instead of Bangalore, I choose other name. Even Bombay, I choose Paris. Okay. Then
Okay. Yeah, that's fine. That's
I changed totally. But date, I am a bit confused. Even I saved few XPath in the notes. Okay, I'm searching that.
Okay. Okay. Let me do manually. Okay.
Yeah.
Let me create XPath. So this part is done. Now this is a clickable, right? Clickable thing. So for this, just inspect, because you first need to click. So one second, before click itself, you have to find the element first. I have already done it. Anyway, I will show you. Okay, whenever you click, so don't click, just first, before you click, try to get this XPath. So now this is right, and this is the XPath. Okay, let me expand this. So if I simply take class, let's see, it is showing one of one. So let me create the XPath first. So double slash span. This is for class. So we are good on this, right? So this is the XPath. Clicking. Okay. Let's see which one I took. I have already this XPath. Okay. This XPath already I have. You can see, right? This.
Yeah.
Already I have. So once you click, so this is the thing. Okay. This is new things for you guys. What happened? Sometimes, na, if even your XPath is also correct, okay, suppose your XPath is also correct, but sometimes it doesn't work with the help of find element method. Okay, so in that case, what you need to do, you have to use a JavaScript executor. Okay, so this is one thing, like, whenever some action is not clickable, not able to do any action using the find element method, so you have to go for a JavaScript, because I also tried the same. Okay, because I also did the practice on this, so I thought I will try and let you know, guys, because sometime what happened, most of the cases, every application, you will get this kind of situation where your click, the XPath which you created, it's correct only, but you will get a message in console says like elements is not interactable. Okay, it is not able to interact with the element whatever you have took the XPath or locator, whatever. So the syntax is it's a like copy paste syntax, you can't make any changes. So the first line is like you are creating object like wave element equal to driver dot find element by whatever your uh, path is there, like whatever the locator is there, just paste it. Okay, after that what you have to do, you have to like write JavaScript executor. Okay, and you are creating object for the executor. So this is the syntax. Okay, so I will again ping you this one. So this is for whenever your normal find element is not working. Okay, so this time you have to use. So what you have to do, So now this is the object dot execute script, and this is the code, okay, for Java executor. So you can't make any changes here. Okay, this should be arguments 0 dot click. Okay, and this is like you are creating object, you will call object. So this how you have to work. So I will show you. Let me comment this. So your XPath may be correct, there is no doubt, but it is not able to interact. Okay, so in that case, you have to just use JavaScript executor. Hope you are getting right what I'm trying to say. So now you will try this one. Okay, before that, I will go step by steps. Okay, so let me close this. Okay, till whatever the both the places we enter, then we need to just, okay, let me run it. So when you run Raghu, what is the error you see in console regarding the element?
Error means it's not giving that particular date. No, I'm unable to select the dates. Okay, because in the July also you have 30, 31 days, and June also.
No, for every element. Okay, whatever you have mentioned here, for every element in console, you will get the error. Okay, I will show you. So based on, you have to read. If something not works, it will be mentioned what is the issue, why it's not able to.
No,
Sometime
I'm not talking about error. Okay, I'm not getting any error because I'm unable to find that element XPath. Okay, that is
okay.
my question. When you're selecting date now, click on the date calendar.
Hmm.
Then there is a now July and August. Okay, so how you are going to tell? Okay, example, I'm going to select 5th or 6th. So I need to manually enter, right, the date.
Correct.
Okay. No, okay. Here, no, I want to select 17th. Then how you are going to select?
Okay. So till the clickable function, we have not used JavaScript and all. Till this, it's okay, right? Like click thing, it's working. Okay.
Yeah, it's
Now,
working for me.
yeah, yeah. So now the question is here, right?
Yeah.
So for example, let me inspect. Suppose. So any table, okay, there is two things. If you have a table, on table you have to create a, method for list, okay, for if you want to enter for any specific, dates and all. So you can create a method on that. Just one second. So this is one date. So here it shows 24, right? So this is, for example, okay. So I already did it. I will just search this element where it is going, okay? And I will tell you what is this.
Same.
So
I'm also same. I'm getting like this 2 out of 395 like that.
correct.
Oh, yeah.
So anything. Suppose in Selenium, what happened? If suppose this is a table, okay, so table based, first thing you will get 395, okay. So suppose for just a demo purpose, if you want to create, it will select on the very first one. Suppose if it's a more than one, okay, whatever it is there, the very first one it will pick, okay, based on that. But now based on this, you have to create a method with the list. So in Java we covered this one, right? What do you say? Like list,
Collection.
correct. So on that, you can create a list, and you can create object for that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, whatever is there. Okay, so based on that you have to create a list, an array list and all, and you have to. That's why I said, right, Java is also important even while doing automation. So now, for example, one second.
So Makan, in this demo, you're not going to create now that list.
We'll create one different one. Okay, not here. We'll just try to cover all the possible methods, like when we if some elements are not interactable, in that case JavaScript executor. So suppose, okay, let me cover this one. Suppose now we have JavaScript executor. Okay, I will just copy this simple, okay, and try to, I will show you. This is also important thing. Okay, so we are not sure. Okay, we need JavaScript executor or not. What I am doing, I am just simply, I got this XPath and I am trying to run it. Okay, so you will see the error. Okay, what kind of error you will see? I'll just let you know. Just wait. See the error. Okay. So it is not working, right? Let me go to this. Still it's, so see, it's not interacted. Okay, so now go here. It's not completed yet, I think. Did I commented that one? So see, this is there. Okay, but it is not clicking anything. Okay, the action is not working. Okay, for it. So what I have done it, I use JavaScript executor and syntax, which I already told, like what is that? Okay, so this will I will use. Okay, and see, so I'm just printing some line so we can validate whether it's work or not. JavaScript executor. Okay, now let me run again. So did I cover get text method, like how to fetch,
No,
like,
not yet, Makan.
okay, okay. So in console it's already printing that get text. I will just explain the use of get text. It's opening. So you can see this is clicking on 4. Okay, actually this is I'm doing manually, but here by this code it is clicking on the 4 only. Okay, right now. So I will show you how to create a method if there is a list or drop down. Okay, I will show you. For now we are just doing this. Okay, one thing which I didn't cover is that means I didn't tell you that is what get text. Let me show you. Okay, this is printing. This is the title, right? So title, get title, we have covered it, right? This you can see on top, right? Chief flight from, this is covered, right? Yes, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. And you can see the like JavaScript executor, it is printing. That means the element is working fine, because if suppose in Java it's do the execution line by line, right? If this line it's not working, it will not come to this one. That means it is, we are getting the print for this. That means that click option is working. Now I need to click on this. I will show you that one, don't worry. The list how to get. So I need to click on this. Okay, so for click already I have method this XPath. I'll just show you. Copy. So always remember, if some elements is not working, just try to work with the the Java executor. It will work. Okay. In case sometime it happens, few elements are not interactable with normal this one. Okay. There may be a case. Okay. Sometime you'll get even you try to do XPath and all, you are getting one of two. So always remember in Selenium, always this will first it will entertain the first element. Okay, the one. So if we are good one, suppose I need, it should interact on one, and which is okay. If it is okay, then no issues. Okay, because the one is our target to click. So we are getting one. If it's a two, then you will not get, because always it will give the priority on the first one. Okay, suppose there are two, in case even you try to do all the activities and all, it's you are getting one of two. So always remember, it will first only consider the first one. Means the driver, the find element method will only interact with the first one. Okay, and we are good with one because we need only okay, and okay is placed for this. Did you clear this thing, everyone?
Now you're saying that there is a 1 and 2, right? Now we are going to select first one or second one?
No. What I'm saying, for example, we need okay element. Even you tried all the possible way to make it unique, but still it is coming one of two. Okay, suppose it is coming one of two, for example, and now you are not able to make it unique. Even you tried. Okay, there may be the,
sorry to interrupt, no. We can do it. Okay, starting now, go open the bracket in starting button /
which one?
Starting, open the bracket. Yeah, just try. Okay, open the bracket, come to
and
here,
close the bracket.
Yeah, then open one more bracket. Open one
Which
more
bracket?
Same. Now you open, right? Not this one. And
1 second, let me zoom it.
Yeah.
1 second. Yeah,
here
this one, right?
You want 1 or second, you can add 1 and close the bracket. You will get only one element, means only one.
But You are saying this way?
Yeah, enter. Yeah. If you want second one, no, instead of one, mention two, you'll get second one.
Yeah, that is fine. That is fine. But even you don't do, okay, for example, for example, if you don't want also, suppose even you tried also, I'm saying there is a possibilities, even you do this one, okay. So this is we are indexing. We are doing the index for
Yeah.
one or
So
two.
yeah, correct.
Okay. So this indexing that is fine, but I'm saying even you tried, okay, sometime there may be some possibilities after doing this also you are getting one of two, because sometime what happen within the same tag name you will get both the elements, means both the locator, okay, one or two. Suppose it start with a button and something will start with some other tag name. So in that case, I'm saying it will consider, okay, it will consider only the first one, okay. Even you, I don't want, suppose I don't want to put in one or two, for example, okay, one or two, just so in Selenium what happen, it will only interact with the first one, okay. If your elements is shows as two of two, it will not interact. So I just wanted to cover that part. You got my point, right?
Yeah, but one thing just adding to the point of Raghu, if you
Hmm.
want one of two, then it's okay. But if you want two of two, in that case,
So that's what I'm saying. In Selenium 2 of 2, it will never interact. Okay. If
no,
because
I'm saying that we in this case we required only one of two element. But if we require two of two element, then in that case, how will you manage? So I think in that case, we have to go with the whatever Raghu said. We have to follow that one, right?
see 2 of 2, so you will not get, right? It is not possible to get 2 of 2. It should be 1 of 2, 1 of 4, 1 of 5, right? 2 of 2, how it will interact? Tell me.
Ravi, it won't take two, Ravi, because what happened now? Example, one out of four example, okay, I'm saying. You want third one, okay? You don't want first,
Yes.
second, and fourth one, you want third one. That time we can use this formula. Right?
I'm
Correct.
saying,
Correct.
Correct,
Correct.
Naka? You have
Correct.
one
yeah,
of
I'm
Correct.
saying the same thing.
one
I'm
of
referring the same thing. So if you
yeah.
want something which is three or four, for example, then only in
That
is
time you will
required.
put index. Yes, correct. So
Yeah.
suppose that I'm saying what, for example, now what happened in this case, let's assume I'm just removing this bracket, okay? Let me remove what I'm trying to say. For example, this is, I'm getting one of two. And right now I'm still okay if I don't use this bracket zero index, okay, because it will always first interact with the one of one only, okay. Either you do bracket start or close, it's no matter, okay. But in case your elements is present on second, okay, for a, and you are looking for this one, not the previous one, in this case you will do the indexing, okay.
Now you have to mention two. Second one if you I want
No, I'm
and
just
mention
let me
yeah.
cover the bracket.
Yeah.
Okay, so if you need like this, you want to the second one you want to make one of one, that time you will do this, okay. But if there are two and the very first one clicking on the okay, so it's okay if you don't even make, it's okay, because it will interact on the this one only first. But in case suppose the second one you are looking for this one, okay, and it is coming one of two, that time you have to do this way, okay. So it's good to make customize, like I just wanted to cover so that you will understand, like sometime what happened, something even you tried also this way also not work, okay. In real time when you work you will get to know. So sometime it happens, see the JavaScript executor, without this one you can't interact with the element, right? So you should know all the possible way how to, if something is not working, then what? Okay, there is one more method. If normal find element is not working, in that case you have to use one thing, action class. So actions, okay, action equal to new actions. So this is one way, okay, to interact with the element. Okay, so you are getting right this. If you just hover over, you are getting import. Okay, so now you will call this object dot. Okay, you are getting one more method, right? So here, you will be like, if your web, suppose the web element target, so dot find element by dot xpath, whatever the xpath is there, okay, you will just mention. Got it, right? So this is another way, but I will not suggest this way. If your find element is not working, you should go with always JavaScript executor, because if this way you will get the output. There is no doubt. Okay, so this is done. Okay, JavaScript executor, and see, that's why I said, okay, so now Raghu tried a lot. He understand how to create XPath and all. Even he was asking me that day, like using CrewPath or some other locator. Like there are some plugins available in the market. You can add to your browser, okay, and easily you will get the XPath. So that is not actually the good one. I would suggest create XPath, because real time whenever you will work on project and for some company, you will not allow to add any external plugins. Okay, so that time, so you can't do anything. Now it's up to you how you are good on the creating XPath and all. Okay, now coming to uh, table. Okay, so if there is any calendar table, any table, okay, for example, anything, this kind of, so you have to create some table. Okay, means some method. So I am getting error this. What I did wrong? One second. Okay. Okay, so okay, let me just uh, try this one also. Let me run again. Okay, let me close, and I will cover the method for calendar. So JavaScript executor I have already gave you. You can just refer for your any activity. Okay, in case you don't able to interact, uh, don't make any changes on the third line. It would be like syntax wise, and rest driver dot find element, whatever the value, whatever the locator, you can just make the changes and see. This for the same application you can try it. Not an issue. So now it will click on fourth, click OK. Now it is giving two option. Once you click on that, so it will Now it's click on the search button. Okay, so I will ping you this entire code, and now we'll see this one. Okay, prior to that, let it be like this. Let me create the class method. Okay, so the method, how to create the method is, you say public void suppose day. Okay, day, and you are putting string day or date. Yeah, that should be date. So second. Now what you will do, you will use list. Okay, now web element, then now it should be what, suppose date. Okay, dates you mentioned. Now we'll say driver dot. Okay, before that you need to just import that list. Just import. So it should be always java.util. Okay, now if I try, just let me find driver dot find. Oh, it is not coming. 1 second. List wave element dates equal to driver dot. Let me just write the syntax first. Elements, whatever expert. So there is one difference. Okay, one is, for example, I'm writing. I missed that part.
Is it element or elements?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. 1 minute. So there is one thing, driver dot find element and find elements. Okay, so the element driver dot find element, okay, is for specific to particular element. But in case of the driver dot find elements is for the list. Okay, means when you have some table. Okay, so for that we use elements, not elements, because we will have a list of this, right? Driver dot find elements, that's why it is coming as a list. Now by dot whatever, like xpath, now we'll just enter. Okay, this is what we do. So now you just elements you got, right? For example, in this page, let me cancel this one. So what is the difference between driver dot find element and find element is, I will show you. Let me open this. Same thing also we can do copy paste here, no problem. So these are the method. Okay, so list of iterators, so you have to be good on this. Okay, so you can see all this, like all this method, add, get, add all. Okay, these add all, index, collection, these all contains. Okay, so because that's why I don't want to I don't want to make you confused now. That's why I thought, okay, anyway I will show you. Okay, so for example, we have typed BLR and we click. Now here Bombay, we click, and now we are getting, right. So for example, this is a list, right? This is completely a list. So now how to interact? So for example, you need dates, right? Any dates. Okay. So this is one for month. Month also you can do. Okay. So if you just expand this one, you are getting for month, right? Whatever. These are month wise. Okay. You can see this is for month. Now if you want for day first, for example, you need some specific date, right? For example. So it should be okay. Suppose I am looking for this. Let me scroll down this one. For example, I don't know why it is not popping. Yeah. Okay. So when I said element, I'm just finding the this one. Okay. So this is the class. One second.
Again, just I'm giving it. Okay, instead of selecting date now, first we'll select month. Okay, in the month we can select date because dates 365 days. All the months we have 30, 30, 31 numbers. 27 to repeat every month, right? So we'll get n number of. This is what I last week I was trying to find, but couldn't.
Let me see one. So this is for this. Now I am trying to find the list of this. Okay, this is not that list. So you will get some list. I'm just trying to get that.
There's no list in
Yeah.
end. At the end, there are mentioned 14 to me. Yeah, that one. Okay, it's repeating for every all the months. Okay, August, June, July, it's showing 14th.
Because most of the cases you will get a list. Okay, options, values, all like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever is there. But here it's not there. Let me, yeah, these are coming as a just a value.
Yeah, it's coming under August month. Under it's coming. Okay, 23, 24, whatever you're selecting. You can see in top is August month. And that below
Correct.
each date is coming. So what I'm saying, first select August month X path. Then next we are running now 27, 28. We're going to put manually numbers. Then you should select right.
Let me try with the month then. Till this I didn't explore. Even month wise, if I do, this is the class. Okay, but here is the problem. Okay, if I use div text equal to div text equal to, I'm just making zoom out.
Just find August, okay? August, just find August. You'll get that one. August or July, whatever it is. July. August is coming now.
It is. So Parvati, you are clear with the text, right? By using text, how to find the element and all.
Yeah.
So this is the syntax. Anyway, we'll see this one. So driver dot find not elements. Sorry. Here I am not able to show you that elements of this. Anyway, I will show in some other. I should able to click. Now, if I click on 20, for example, this side is also not loading slow, I think, because it's not able to interact. Okay, let me zoom out.
Yeah,
Okay.
20 there, no?
Okay, 20 is there, right?
Yeah, select that one.
So let me.
How you are going to select that number, Makan?
Yeah, 1 second.
Yeah,
First thing, I'm not able to locate this thing only. I don't know why. It's getting hang sometime. Okay, so this is, it's going and coming. Okay, this is 26. Okay, so let's try in this way. So this is, you can see, right, div.
Yeah, we can
Right.
copy that class. Okay, what about that number? I'm asking.
No, we'll just put the number and see whether it is coming or not. Okay, it is coming. How it is coming? 26.
Yeah, it will come in 12 months. May 26 रहेगा ना? It will definitely come. It will come.
Got it. So suppose this is a class, okay, and instead of this, if I use class equal to,
Now you can add one more.
it is 26 only now. Okay,
Yeah.
so this is specific to this. Okay, but in case of in case of you need a list of that time you have to go with this approach. So in list we have covered in Java, right? So we have create object, based on that we add that. So if you want, I can create later for you the list. But the problem with this app is I'm not getting the list itself. So that's the problem. So, but anyway, I will try to do it. Okay. So whenever now you open any browser, any application, you will see all the lists and all. Okay. Options 1, 2, 3, 4. You will get like that. But here it is not coming this way. Okay. That's why I'm saying. Anyway, we took the XPath, right? Driver dot find element. Why it is always coming to this? Maybe I imported or what? No. Driver dot find element, not elements. So always elements will require for the list. Okay. So this is one dot click. Okay. Okay. So I have to copy paste here itself because I think here. Okay. Let's see whether it is working or not. I don't know. My system got Okay, anyway. It's all about your patience. It will sometime, one element, it will take a lot of time to identify. What happened? It is loading or what? Ah. Not sure yet. 1 second. What is going? Let me rerun again. So tomorrow we'll start. Okay. Mm, Cucumber BDD framework from scratch. Okay. So with the help of feature file, how to write the step definition and how to automate. Okay. There are a lot of frameworks, but I thought BDD Cucumber would be very helpful for you. We'll start from scratch how to create a framework.
So in Selenium, right? Not in
Yeah. Maven with Maven Selenium,
Okay.
and I will find out some website. I have one paid version, but I don't know whether my um, that their validation is expired or not. I need to check that.
It's not selecting. Okay. August month we given.
August 4 is okay. This is 50. Yeah, it is not selecting, right?
Yeah.
So why it is not selecting? We'll get the error. See, element click interrupted exception. What it shows is not clickable. So whenever you see, okay, this kind of things not clickable, or so in that case, okay, because see, because it's already mentioned, because another element they classify if so this will not work in this way. Okay, in this case what you can do, your XPath is absolutely fine. Okay, if it's a not correct, you will get error, some incorrect or something. So always read in main. Okay, whenever something is not working now in this line, exception in thread, you will see elements click interrupted exception. If this is the case, means your element is okay. So in this case, you have to do with the JavaScript executor again. Okay. So which one is our line number 50, right? We'll use JavaScript executor again. Okay, and see. Let me take this. Okay, so what I will do now, already object can be duplicate, right? So I will put 1 here, also I will put 1, and this is because it can't be duplicate now. So just I will do the changes on the August whatever. Okay, so this is, I'm going to make the changes on this one. Let me just take this one. Okay, so You got right what needs to be changes. So this is here you will not make any changes within this string. This is the syntax. Okay, we'll see and check whether it is working now or not. Let me just close all this. It should be 2. Let come in. Today I will just cover one more thing, that get text. Okay, so what happened for some application, you do some validation, right? You do some validation, like some on some pages something is there, you need the validation. So how to do that validation? Okay, that I will just tell you the method get text. So you can fetch the data and you can print out to your console. You'll see the issue. It's clicking on 4 itself. 56 line number 6. What it is saying? August. We can make the changes. So 1 second. Okay, this should click. Okay. 1 second. Let me just comment this. Okay. This is one. 1 second. This way it is not working. Let me try one more time. Okay, here it is taking which one? After clicking on this 47, it is taking this. This is taking. That's the problem, because our one is this, right? And we kept below after this action. That's why it is clicking on 4. Okay. Now let me just comment this. Just checking whether this thing is working or not. Okay, this should be executor 1. Okay, now we'll see what is the error. Okay, no error. So after click on this, after search on this, after click on this, so this click is our this one. This click method. Okay. No, it is directly clicking. Anyway, we will just comment it. Let's check with this one whether it is working or not. If doesn't work, I will try. Okay, and I will let you know. So the purpose is you should know how to use JavaScript executor if sometime element doesn't work, even it's correct. And we'll see the get text, and then we'll end the session for today. Tomorrow we'll meet again. But that is the syntax for a JavaScript executor. You just need to change the value, whatever the XPath value you get. Okay, it is launching now. Entering. Now it should click, right? So maybe click think we commented. Let's just wait. Yeah. So this click think we commented. Okay. That is the case. 1 second. Okay, let's see now if it is clicking or not. Okay, month. August. August. The XPath which we created right now for August, what is not clicking? What is the issue? So element click interrupted. Okay, let me give some time of thread. Thread is already there. Let me go to this. If it's a dynamic or not, let me check that first. Yeah, so it's a dynamic, guys. See, the last time, not dynamic, it's there, right? It is clicking on this, but at the same time, we have to click on, okay, so do one thing. Same thing we'll do for the other class as well. Like this one we are done. We'll check this one. Because after clicking on this, it should come to this page. Means the number one, right? The number page. It is not coming now. coming yet only. Mm, so the problem is what happened before running, the element is different, and after running, the element got changed. This is the problem.